all my dear friends. I would like to say few words of World Mosquito Day. I am mosquito too. World Mosquito Day is celebrates every year on August 22 to commemorate the groundbreaking discovery of Ronald Ross in 1897, which established that the Anopheles mosquitoes transmit the malaria parasite to humans.
The purpose to celebrate the day is to raise awareness and alertness regarding the diseases caused by mosquitoes and ways to prevent them. Mosquitoes are also very small size but are the only predators that have through the country. They may also cause through Richter bone distress. In fact, according to a report, it is counted among the world deadliest, killing more than the 7 lakh people each year. World Mosquito Day was celebrated under the theme for reaching the zero malaria target. Diseases caused by mosquitoes. Some of common diseases caused by mosquitoes are chikungunya, dengue fever, malaria, Zika virus, yellow fever, West Nile virus. Symptoms of mosquito-borne diseases: fever, headache, neck pain, muscle pain, joint pain, rash, vomiting, diarrhea, rarely. Mosquito-borne diseases can cause serious problems such as encephalitis, hair swelling at the brain. Mosquito is finding the right treatment for you using treatment safely and effectively. Also, thank you. Good morning, teachers and my dear students. My name is K. Susmita. I am studying in 9th class in our school. ఈ రోజు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోయేది ఏంటంటే ఈ రోజు మనం మస్కిటో డే ఎందుకు చేసుకుంటున్నాం